Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Go On Buddy. Guys, in today's video, we will learn 12 important vocabularies with their meanings and pictures. To remember those vocabularies in a right order, we have a formula which is Learn English. As you can see clearly that there are 12 letters in Learn English and the first letter of Learn is L. With it, we have a new vocabulary which is leverage. Follow the sequence. Then the next letter is E and the vocab is empty-headed. Then A for Averse, R for retreat, N for noteworthy, E for Endeavour, N for Nuance, G for gradually, L for Linger, I for Inquisitive, S for Splendid, H for Herculean. Now let's learn how to use these vocabularies in the sentences inside this story. Let's go, buddy. One day I got to know about the Tupri English conversation application that I took leverage to learn English for free. Leverage means take advantage of something. In Hindi, लाभ उठाना. I had a fear of speaking in English. Misconception about the people that if we make mistake while speaking in English, they will make fun of us, will treat us as an empty-headed and talentless. Empty-headed means unintelligent and foolish. In Hindi, anadi. But I did not face any such thing and I firmly averse to these rumors. Because I made mistake, I stuck while speaking, I could not make the conversation interesting, but nobody had problems and nobody judged me. Averse means against or not in favor of something. In Hindi, asahmat. But after few weeks, I got bored, I got demotivated and made my mind to give up. But then, one quote came to the rescue that did not allow me to retreat after that day. It reads, "A quitter never wins and a winner never quits." And my journey started again. Retreat means to move backward, पीछे हटना. To improve my English, I had to work on nuances of English, and I did the same. And soon made good command over this language. Nuance means a very small difference in meaning, feeling, sound, etc. In Hindi, बारीकियाँ. If you want to improve your English, have a dream to speak fluently, so you will also have to endeavor because it is not like other skills which you will learn within a month. It takes time. You have to make effort until it becomes your habit. Endeavor means to try hard, परिश्रम करना. Now, the noteworthy thing is that how you will learn English faster, how you can speak fluently, and what you will have to do. Noteworthy meaning interesting or important, that is worth noticing, ध्यान देने योग्य. 4 important tips I am going to share with you which you can follow to improve your English. First, read books. By reading books, you will learn new vocabulary and get the idea that how vocab is used in the sentences. If you don't have the habit of reading books, it's okay. You can make it. Start gradually and don't quit until it takes place in your daily routine. Gradually means slowly, ahista ahista. Second, write. It helps you to check and improve your spelling mistake which you did while writing. You also learn how to make the right sentences and it improves your grammar knowledge as well. But you have to linger on this activity until it turns into your routine activity. Linger means to stay somewhere or do something for longer than usual. In Hindi, ठहरना. Third, speak. Speak as much as you can. Talk to yourself, talk to people, and be inquisitive to learn from them. Inquisitive means interested in finding out about many different things. In Hindi, jigyasu. Fourth, listen. You have to make your listening skill splendid because if you don't get the input, you can't give output. It is as important as speaking because without understanding, you can't give the reply. Be a good listener first to become a good speaker. Splendid means very good, excellent. In Hindi, बहुत शानदार. Last advice. These activities look Herculean tasks in the starting, but once you become used to them, it would be child's play for you like others. Herculean means requiring great strength or effort. अत्यंत कठिन. Now take a pause, revise these vocabularies which you learn throughout the story. Congratulations! We have learned most important vocabularies with the help of trick and story. If you love the video, so please comment, share and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Bye bye.